Yes, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error code failed to load this broadcast on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of broadcasting issue of a Steam, then here are the fixes. The first one workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. From the left side go to system settings and thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. And here choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of network issue, so you must apply network and internet troubleshoot as a first workaround. And thereafter check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, open a Steam app on your system. And here from the left side of top left corner, click on Steam and choose check for Steam client updates. Click on it and it will, if any update available, it will automatically update your client service of your Steam. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. Clear Steam caches. In the Steam settings page from the left side, go to in-game, click on in-game from the left sidebar. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option web browser data. Delete web browser data. Delete all Steam browser cached files, cookies and history. So click on delete. Are you sure? Delete all Steam browser cached file, cookies and history. Choose confirm. Thereafter also clear download caches. To do so, from the left side of settings page, choose downloads, click on downloads and thereafter from the right side scroll down and you will find the option clear download caches. Clearing the download caches might resolve issues downloading or starting apps, so you must click on clear caches. So clear web browser caches and download caches. It will clear your local download caches and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Click on confirm. And it will not only clear the caches, restart your Steam app again. And after that, check whether your Steam error code failed to load broadcast error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Put your credential in a Steam app and open it. Once your Steam app opened, here again go to Steam from the top left corner and click on settings and here go to privacy settings. Either it will available on left sidebar or on the main page. So choose privacy settings. It will available here, privacy settings. Click on it and here make sure that game profile, game details, set it as public. From the drop down menu list, choose public. And after that, check whether your Steam game app error code failed to load this broadcast error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Temporarily disable antivirus, third party antivirus or Windows Defender firewall, whichever is in your system. Disable it temporarily. To disable Windows Defender firewall, open control panel in your system and here choose Windows Defender firewall. Click on it, open it. Here from the left side, click on turn Windows Defender firewall on or off and thereafter from the right side under private network, turn off Windows Defender firewall and public network settings, turn off Windows Defender firewall. And finally, click on OK from the bottom of the page. And once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender firewall again. After that, check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, uninstall a Steam app and install a fresh version. Go to settings page again by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and here from the left side click on apps. Thereafter choose installed apps from the right side, and here look for the Steam app under installed app settings, and click on three horizontal dot against a Steam app and choose uninstall. And after that, install a fresh version of a Steam app in your system. That's all.